In an uncertain world, self-reliance is paramount. Survival gardening empowers us with the ability to provide sustenance for ourselves and our loved ones. It transforms our backyards into havens of food security, fostering a deep connection with nature's rhythms. Survival gardens are not merely about growing food. They represent resilience, sustainability, and a profound sense of preparedness. Imagine stepping into your backyard and harvesting a basket brimming with fresh, vibrant vegetables. Picture the satisfaction of knowing that you have played an active role in nourishing your family with food you have grown yourself. This is the essence of survival gardening, a journey of self-sufficiency and empowerment. But survival gardening is not just about reaping the rewards of fresh produce. It is about embracing a way of life that honors the interconnectedness of all living things. It is about understanding the delicate balance of nature and working in harmony with it to create a sustainable and resilient food source. By cultivating a survival garden, we become active participants in our own well-being. We take control of our food supply, reducing our reliance on external sources and minimizing our environmental impact. In a world grappling with climate change and food insecurity, survival gardening offers a beacon of hope, reminding us of the power we possess to create a more sustainable and resilient future. Heirloom seeds are the living embodiment of our agricultural heritage. They are the seeds of our ancestors, carrying with them the stories, traditions, and wisdom of generations past. Unlike modern hybrid varieties, heirloom seeds have been passed down through generations, cherished and nurtured by those who came before us. These seeds are a testament to the dedication and care of countless farmers and gardeners. Carefully selected for their flavor, adaptability, and resilience, heirloom seeds offer a unique connection to our past. They are a living link to the gardens and fields of yesteryear, where each seed was chosen for its ability to thrive in specific climates and conditions. These seeds carry within them the genetic wisdom of countless seasons, ensuring a legacy of abundance for generations to come. As the seasons change, so too do the plants, adapting and evolving to meet the challenges of their environment. When we choose to plant heirloom seeds, we are not only preserving biodiversity but also reconnecting with the flavors of the past. Each bite of an heirloom vegetable is a taste of history, a reminder of the rich culinary traditions that have shaped our world. Heirloom vegetables and fruits often possess a depth of flavor and aroma that is sadly lacking in many commercially grown varieties. These are the flavors that have been lost in the pursuit of uniformity and shelf life. These are the tomatoes that burst with sweetness, their juices running down your chin as you take a bite. They are the cucumbers that refresh with every bite, crisp and cool on a hot summer day. The melons that perfume the air with their intoxicating fragrance, filling your senses with their sweet, floral aroma. These are the flavors that remind us of simpler times, of family gatherings and home-cooked meals, and the melons that perfume the air with their intoxicating fragrance, filling your senses with their sweet, floral aroma. These are the flavors that remind us of simpler times, of family gatherings and home-cooked meals. Saving heirloom seeds is a simple yet rewarding process that allows us to become custodians of these living treasures. By collecting seeds from our gardens, we can ensure that these precious varieties continue to thrive for years to come. By collecting seeds from our gardens, we can ensure that these precious varieties continue to thrive for years to come. It is a way of honoring the past while looking to the future, a way of preserving the diversity and richness of our agricultural heritage. It is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and our enduring connection to the natural world. Each seed saved is a promise of future harvests, a commitment to the sustainability and resilience of our food systems. Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting seeds from your very own heirloom tomatoes, knowing that you are holding in your hands the potential for countless future harvests. It is a feeling of connection, of being part of something larger than yourself, knowing that you are holding in your hands the potential for countless future harvests. Each seed is a tiny miracle, a bundle of genetic potential waiting to be unlocked. This is the magic of heirloom seeds, a legacy of flavor and resilience that we have the privilege to carry forward. By planting and saving these seeds, we are not only preserving the past but also ensuring a future filled with diversity, flavor, and abundance. Diversity is the cornerstone of a resilient survival garden. It is the foundation upon which we build a thriving, self-sustaining ecosystem that can endure the challenges of nature. By cultivating a wide variety of crops, we not only enhance the beauty of our gardens but also fortify them against the unpredictable forces of nature. We create a balanced ecosystem that is better equipped to withstand pests, diseases, and changing environmental conditions. This balance is crucial for the long-term health and productivity of our gardens. Just as a diverse forest is more resilient than a monoculture plantation, so too is a diverse garden. The variety within our gardens mirrors the complexity and resilience found in nature. Imagine a garden bursting with a kaleidoscope of colors, shapes, and textures. Each plant contributes its unique beauty and function, creating a living mosaic that is both visually stunning and ecologically sound. Rows of leafy greens intermingle with vibrant root vegetables, their roots intertwining beneath the soil, creating a network of support and mutual benefit. Their leaves reaching towards the sun, capturing its energy to fuel their growth, and in turn, providing us with nourishment. Vining crops climb trellises, creating a living tapestry of abundance. These vertical elements add another layer of diversity, maximizing the use of space and sunlight. This is the beauty of a diversified garden, a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things. Each plant, insect, and microorganism plays a role in maintaining the health and vitality of the whole. Diversifying our gardens is not only about aesthetics, it is about creating a harmonious balance that benefits both plants and people. This balance fosters a sense of peace and well-being, connecting us to the natural world. When we plant a variety of crops, we provide habitat for beneficial insects, pollinators, and other wildlife that play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy ecosystem. These creatures help control pests, pollinate flowers, and decompose organic matter, enriching the soil. This diversity also ensures that we have a continuous supply of fresh produce throughout the growing season, reducing our reliance on external food sources. By staggering planting times and choosing crops with different maturation rates, we can enjoy a bountiful harvest all year round. By embracing diversity in our gardens, we create a vibrant and resilient ecosystem that nourishes both body and soul. The act of gardening itself becomes a meditative practice, grounding us in the rhythms of nature. It is a testament to the power of nature's interconnectedness and our ability to work in harmony with it to create a more sustainable and abundant future. By fostering diversity, we not only ensure the health of our gardens, but also contribute to the well-being of our planet. Together, we can cultivate a tapestry of crops that celebrates the richness of life and the beauty of biodiversity. In the pursuit of maximizing space and efficiency, vertical gardening emerges as a game changer. This innovative approach to gardening is revolutionizing the way we think about growing our own food and beautifying our surroundings. It transforms our gardens into towering masterpieces, utilizing vertical space to cultivate a bountiful harvest. By growing upwards, we can achieve a lush, productive garden even in the smallest of spaces. From trellises adorned with vining crops to stacked planters overflowing with herbs and vegetables, vertical gardening allows us to make the most of every inch of our gardens. This method is particularly beneficial for urban dwellers who may only have a small patio or balcony to work with. Imagine a world where walls become living tapestries of greenery, adorned with cascading vines laden with ripe tomatoes and cucumbers. These vertical gardens not only provide fresh produce, but also add a touch of natural beauty to our living spaces. Picture balconies transformed into miniature urban farms, their railings draped with fragrant herbs and vibrant strawberries. This vision is becoming a reality for many, as more people embrace the concept of vertical gardening to bring nature closer to home. This is the allure of vertical gardening, a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to adapt to even the most challenging of spaces. It demonstrates our creativity and resourcefulness in finding new ways to grow food and enhance our environments. Vertical gardening is not just about aesthetics, it is about maximizing our growing potential while minimizing our environmental footprint. By using vertical space, we can grow more plants in a smaller area, reducing the need for large plots of land and conserving resources. By growing upwards, we reduce our reliance on sprawling gardens, freeing up valuable ground space for other essential elements of a sustainable homestead. This approach is particularly useful in urban areas where space is limited and every square foot counts. Vertical gardens also improve air circulation, reducing the risk of pests and diseases while creating a visually stunning focal point in any outdoor space. The increased airflow helps plants thrive, leading to healthier and more productive gardens. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a cozy balcony, vertical gardening offers a world of possibilities for those seeking to maximize their growing space and create a truly unique and sustainable garden. It allows gardeners to experiment with different plant varieties and growing techniques, making gardening more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. It is a testament to our ability to innovate and adapt, transforming even the most challenging of spaces into havens of abundance. Vertical gardening is a powerful tool for creating green spaces in urban environments, promoting sustainability and fostering a deeper connection with nature. Beyond vegetables and herbs, vertical gardens can also be used to grow a variety of flowers and ornamental plants, adding color and vibrancy to our surroundings. This versatility makes vertical gardening an appealing option for both practical and decorative purposes. Modern vertical gardens often incorporate advanced irrigation systems, ensuring that plants receive the right amount of water and nutrients. These systems can be automated, making it easier for busy individuals to maintain their gardens with minimal effort. Vertical gardening is also gaining popularity in community and public spaces, where it can be used to create green walls and urban farms that benefit entire neighborhoods. These communal gardens foster a sense of community and provide fresh produce to local residents. Educational programs centered around vertical gardening are teaching the next generation about sustainable practices and the importance of growing their own food. Schools and community centers are incorporating vertical gardens into their curricula, inspiring young minds to think creatively about agriculture and environmental stewardship. The diversity of plants that can be grown in vertical gardens is truly remarkable. From seasonal crops to perennial favorites, vertical gardening allows for a wide range of plant choices, enabling gardeners to enjoy fresh produce and beautiful blooms year-round. For those who enjoy DIY projects, vertical gardening offers endless opportunities for creativity. Many vertical gardens are built using repurposed materials such as old pallets or recycled containers, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective gardening solution. Ultimately, vertical gardening is about creating lush, thriving green spaces that enhance our lives and contribute to a more sustainable future. It is a practice that combines beauty, functionality, and environmental responsibility, offering a new way to experience the joys of gardening.